Hello everyone and welcome to new video. Now we're gonna learn how to create PowerPoint presentation. This is only the sample, and by this sample we're gonna do exactly the same PowerPoint presentation, and by the end of this video you're gonna be prepared for creating your own presentation. So first step is to open PowerPoint, and now we need to create 5 slides as we have on the left side 5 slides. Now we need to create 5 on the right side, and let's press shift and hold the shift button on your keyboard and press enter 5 times. And now we created 5 slides. So now we need to go to design panel, and let's click on the first slide. Let's go to the design, and now let's select, let's say, this one. Now we need to set our text. Let's click here, click to a title, and before that we're gonna go in insert, home, and in home we are gonna set Arial as a font family. Set this to 54, it is size of the text. And let's type our first presentation. Now click and drag that to the top. Let's set Arial, let's type. Now I need you to go here and make it a little bit bigger. And one tip, now select all text and here go to B, or press Ctrl and hold Ctrl plus B to make this text bold. And the same thing we are gonna do here in the title. Now we need to go in insert, text box. We are gonna set here Mr. Beronia and select this text inside this box, text box, and now we're gonna change text to be blue, and we're gonna set it to be bold. Now just click on that Mr. Beronia here like this, go right click, copy, go on this slide, paste, go on the third one, paste. In the second slide we have title again, so let's go how much is too much. Now we're gonna set this text to be bold again, strong, and let's change it to Arial and to 54. Now we're gonna delete this one. Just click on that box and press delete button on your keyboard, and now we're gonna insert text box. By clicking or dragging it is the same, and now we need to type this text. Now again we are gonna change this font family to be Arial, and let's set text to be like 20, okay. And here we have some shapes, and how we can do those shapes, easy. Let's go to insert and let's go shapes. Now we're gonna use this block arrow, and by dragging you can set the size of that arrow. So let's say we want to be this big, and okay, let's go to insert, let's go to shapes, and now we're gonna insert this. So let's do it like this, like that. And now we need to set this text in this shape. How can we do that? Easy. Let's go again to insert, text box, click here, and now let's press 1 dot and 5 to 10 slides, and pressing enter automatically will be made order list every time you type something, like you see order list with a number. So there is no need for you to position anything or do anything. You just press enter and automatically order list will be created. And in the third one we need to set title. So let's set title important to learn. Let's check that text. Let's go bold and 54. Let's change font family to Arial again, and now we have important to learn as we have on the left side. Now we're gonna delete this box. Click on that, press delete button on your keyboard, and now go to smart art. Here we have vertical chevron list. We're gonna click on that. Let's go OK, and now the list is created. And first we need to set this stage 1. let's set stage 2, let's set stage 3, and we're gonna make this text to be like bold. Hold Ctrl button on your keyboard and plus B, and the text will automatically get bold, will be bold, and let's do it for all. So in this fourth one, my bad is that I deleted this box. You don't need to delete this box, so let's go click on this, click to add text, and now we can make this list happen. Let's type Ctrl plus C, and this is how we create this arrow, and type copy. By pressing enter, the list will continue, and for now we're not gonna do it like that. I'm just gonna copy those with Ctrl plus C, here Ctrl plus V, and here we have the complete shortcuts that you need to know. Let's position that box. Okay, and now we created the fourth one. Let's go to 50, let's go to last one, and in the last one we have some image. Now we're gonna delete this box. We're gonna type ready to go, and let's make that text bold. Again, Arial 54, and we need to insert text, and now we need to insert image. Now I'm going to show you how you can insert image. Let's go to insert, let's go pictures, and now we're going to find this image, and here in formats, go here and click on this one, and now you just need to resize this image in order to create the same one, the same presentation as we have on the left side. Let's move to transitions and animations. First we're gonna go to transition, and by clicking on this slideshow we're gonna set transition to be like random bars. Okay, let's go to the second one, random bars, and we're gonna set for every single one of them the same. Let's go to animations, and now we can click on the text, and this is the interesting part. Let's go to fade. Okay, now we're gonna set duration to be, again, let's set it on 1.5 seconds, and fade. So we want this text to appear like that. Let's go to this text and let's go like this. Okay, 1 second, let's go like this. Fly in 1 second. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna select the title, wipe. Let's select this. We're gonna float in with this. So now we came to the beautiful part. Let's go to slideshow, and from the beginning press this, and now we can see the entire presentation, how it will appear, how it is appearing, how it's gonna look like, and by pressing left click on your mouse everything is gonna start appearing, as you can see. But let's say that we don't want that to be on a mouse click, so let's go to transitions and let's uncheck this on mouse click, and we're gonna set this after, and let's go 4 seconds. Now I need you to do it on every slides like this, apply to all, and now every single one of them should be like automatically after 4 seconds it will go to another one. So let's go again to slideshow from beginning, and let's wait to see. And this is the magic. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Hope you like this video. I'm gonna create a few more videos about this PowerPoint, where I'm gonna discuss very advanced options and very advanced things that you can learn if you don't know, or you just need to refresh your memory. So again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.